It's funny you stumbled on this video. It must be fate. We're gonna start off by stepping with our right foot and bringing the energy down. Take it out. We have to get our emotions in check so that we can really figure out how we feel. Down. This is your break. Take it to the center. Center, go.
You're the one that left. Last words you said that you couldn't care less.
Pull your emotions down.
How you miss me more than you could ever love me. How you couldn't give me everything and now you want it from me.
Practice. Punch. Center. Punch. Center. Pull. Right here. Switch. Switch. Speed it up. Switch down. Good. Faster. Woo! If you can't walk forward, it's okay, just walk in place. You should look like a sim that's stuck against a wall. Take it to the middle. Here, go. If you have an ex, now's a great time to think about them. Pull down.
It's funny how you miss me more than you could ever love me. How you couldn't give me everything and now you want it from me.
Practice, go punch. This is also where you get your breath, but you keep your angry face on. Switch, switch, go now. I promise you, you're gonna get this by the end of it. Switch, switch, down, last time. During this next part, I need you to live your super diva pop star fantasy. Let's go. You to get mad. Take it up, yes. And down. Two more times. Push through. Slow. I'm gonna come check and see if you're laughing.
Who's laughing now?
Nope.
Who's laughing now?
This song may have been funny, but we burned some serious calories. If you want to watch the official video, click right here and click right here to do 60-minute sweat sessions with us. We do them every single week and they never expire.
One more time.